forward to Ronaldo, who's just slipped in behind Florenzi now. Ronaldo! Oh! Cristiano Ronaldo! Aided by the deflection, but it's the moment of magic that Real Madrid have been waiting for.
In the name of Allah. Hello dear friends, welcome to this tutorial. What do you want to say in this tutorial clip? Introduction. In this tutorial, we will introduce you to coding a store template using WooCommerce in WordPress. In this super comprehensive tutorial, we will code a store theme and theme using WooCommerce and Bootstrap from scratch. Note that in this training course we look at the issue from the perspective of programming and the design, and do not just assemble a few modules. Therefore, the audience of this course is dear ones who want to learn the basic of designing and programming an online store for WordPress, who often either want to work in the field of site design or program and implement their site themselves from the beginning. Once the framework is ready, we will be immersed in WooCommerce and coding and complementing the store, and we will deal with any disaster we want. After passing this training course, you will be able to implement all kind of online store based on WordPress and WooCommerce, whether it is a clothing store or a computer and digital accessories or food items and etc. So if you want to know store design and programming training with WooCommerce, super comprehensive, join me. Now you can see the website digital store. It's very good temp. Today we are going to teach an online store implementation design course with WooCommerce. I'm going to teach this beautiful theme in the first step to design, a theme that includes menu design and shopping cart design and shop and logo design and main menu and social network design and product search design and a slider design. You can see it's very good slider and company slogan design and the best products design slider. It's very good slider and search design, an amazing offer design and amazing offer design and latest products design. Slider is good. And special products slider, for example, and design best-selling products and ideas users and advertisement design and logo companies design and best-selling products and pre-order registration design and all of the tabs, for example, laptop, tablet, camera design and blog design, for example, more information, and subscribe the newsletter to be informed about the latest products of website and design footer, for example, confidence symbol, quick access, customer service, and shopping guide from digital store. And finishing all right of the website belong to the store. The first step, design beautiful theme, and the second step, we convert the same design to WordPress and use, for example, CMB2. CMB2 is search. CMB2 and choose CMB2 and you see WordPress plugin CMB2. It's very beautiful plugin. Now after second step and in the third step we start with WooCommerce. Dear friends, be careful. We do not intend to configure at all, but we intended to go deep into WooCommerce. That means we can customize product detail page, customize shopping cart, customize pony, and for example add a mobile number for the registration section, delete unnecessary field in the settlement section. For example, in the product details section, create a separate image gallery. Create a review section. Create a review section. Add the user rating section. Add the several other features. So I repeat, connecting is not a few plugins, but coding and the design. Let's go and we start course and goodbye.